not really too thrilled about this. So in this kit, they give you these little slugs and they epoxy into the side of the transmission right here. And then these tighten into them with no threads. So they literally just sit like that inside there. That's kind of some hillbilly crap right there. I don't like that. But that's the only other way to mount this damn deal on this transmission, which is stupid. So this is what I've been working on all morning. And it's really weird because in the side of the train, there's these deals that you epoxy in here, and then these studs just tighten into them, and it just swells this out, makes it super tight. It doesn't move or nothing. I got all that tightened up, but I'm having a hard time trying to figure out how to figure out the shifter mechanism. See, this cable goes real long. You cut it down, obviously, to where you need it. But, you know, I could push down with my hand and stuff, and it doesn't do nothing. It won't shift, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I was working on the wheels this morning, trying to get them finished up. Got the valve stems pulled out so I don't have those sensors in there, and cleaning up all the edges and polishing where they were curved or, you know, rubbed against curb. And then all the wheels had, it was like a BMW mark right here, and it said number 12. And I ground that off and cleaned it up and polished it. Excuse me. And then, let's see, I got the shifter set up, all in the box, got it all pulled out after I did the wheels, and then started bolting this all together. What a freaking nightmare this is. So this is a brand new 700 R4 transmission. I want to thank Bishop's Performance for that. It's amazing. And then this transmission setup, and then you have these slugs that epoxy into here, which was a trip, and then there's these adjuster deals right here, and it holds this all tight. Excuse me. The instructions for this suck. All the instructions are like horrible. And this is American, what the heck brand is it? Johnny Law, I believe it was, is where I got it from, but there's an American shifter company, I think it's what it's called. And right now I'm fighting with the, it's like a detent in here. This cable is supposed to push down when you push the button, and it's supposed to unlock. You can hear it's, you know, wiggling back and forth, but it just will not unlock. So I gotta pull this all back apart. I was just talking to Glenn Ridd about that. We were trying to figure it out over the phone. And here's the shifter setup right here. And like I said, you push that button, and it's supposed to push on this cable, which in turn releases this, and then you can shift it back and forth. The next thing I had to do is set up this arm here. And then this arm goes from here to there. And I'll build that, and there's the two little Heim joints that go with it, you know. Excuse me. Excuse me. So that's the next project. Stay tuned. So I just got the Heim joints on here, got the rod or the shaft, whatever you want to call it, cut down, got it mounted up, got the shift knob where it works now. That was a pain in the ass. Earlier when I called Glenn, we were trying to figure this mess out, and all it was is I guess from sitting in storage or whatever, there's like a sleeve inside here, and there's like a little round shaft with a piston that cable pushes up and down on, and it was just corroded. I couldn't get it to, you know, jive with the shifter. And now it's working good, so. But anyways, got it figured out. All I needed was some lube, and going from there. And then the next thing I'll do is I'd like to get the transmission pulled back apart so I can get this painted, get the engine painted, put the headers and stuff on, and get everything set up so I can start sitting in the frame.